Never. Never. Pick it up, y'all. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, y'all. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, y'all. Never.
See, I never thought that I could walk through fire. And I never thought that I
could save the world. Yeah. I never thought that way that I get higher. Yeah. Don't turn back. Don't touch no attack. It's not destiny. I'll never say never. I will fight till forever. You're right. I will not stay on the ground. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Never say never. Never say never. Never say never. Never say. I thought that I was not. I never thought that I could feel this free. I just want to know the highest tower.
Hey, when it's getting to this part, pass me the microphone.
Wait, so this is my destiny. I will never say never. I will fight till forever. Make it right. I'll never give you out again. I will ride on the ground. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Yes, who? Jay Smith and JB.
I can handle it.
I can handle it. Now he's bigger than me, taller than me, and he's
Older than me, he's stronger than me, and his arms a little bit
longer than me. He ain't on a JB song with me. I be trying to chill, I be trying to travel through.
No pun intended, it was raised by the power of the will. Like move with the force and push come to shove. Like come be the one. I want to be the best and the flyers and the light. I conquered the giant. So now I got the world in my hands. I was born to move where I land.
I will never say never.